Came in with the style, with the flavor, with the $1 million attitude. Smile for the haters, yeah. I've been making rounds, doing favors. I'm the man in the city. I've been feeling like the mayor, yeah.
What up, y'all? Like both of y'all that watch me. Look, we got Steph here today. We got the pretty part of Bully Breed RC. So I roll up here. I was trying to hit up some of the homies, let them know I was gonna be here, and I pull up and I'm like, man, somebody's at the airfield. Damn it! I look up, it's Beauty and Beast RC over there. Look at that. So we go ahead and put the Pilatus together real quick and get it in the air. And if I crash it, I brought old John D over here, the air tractor, just in case. So we got a few minutes, but let me pause this for the cause and put this on my noggin. We're gonna put the gear up on a low pass. All right, come back around low and slow and put the gear up for the camera.
I feel bad. All they gonna hear on the GoPro is this drone.
That's fine. Oh, I got the little gear up pass. How I crashed it that last time, I got one that won't go all the way up, so it's not flush. All right, we might turn the rates up a little bit here in just a second, especially since the drone's gonna be chasing us. Coming back down the runway. Coming back down the runway, full tilt. I wasn't sure if he was gonna get all the way up there for a second. I was like, shit, I'm still running mid rates. I ain't got full control yet. No! Oh. We'll have to do it again then. Oh, there we go. Flight mode 3 got the acrobatic action. There we go. So now we got some rates we can do something with. There we go. Nice. Hell yeah. All right, this is full throttle here. We're gonna come back around, do a full throttle pass down the runway if I can without crashing it. Oh, that battery about done. Oh yeah, hell yeah. All right, I'm gonna set up for a landing, coming right to the left. Let's go ahead and gear down. Kill that speed. Oh yeah. The flaps, we're gonna bring it around again. That wasn't the good setup that I needed. The flaps took me right back up in the air. I was like, damn, that lift. All right, let's get that good setup here. Oh, them flaps make it a little difficult to land, hell. All right, we're gonna put the flaps back up.
Man, the battery in those airplanes lasts so long.
I hope it lasts long enough for this landing, cause we cutting it close. And landing with flaps is actually way harder than without.
See what your voltage is?
You can, this one I don't think has the telemetry set up.
So you kind of just like guess like, okay, it's kind of low now.
Yeah, you kind of go off the timer. How's the rudder or the prop? All right. Nah. But yeah, it there's a way you can set up to have full telemetry. I haven't done it on this one yet. But like on my UMX planes, it'll start to pulse the battery or the motor to let you know the battery's low. This one won't do that. Oh yeah, yep. It looks like the landing gear did not hold up in the dirt. So we're gonna have to replace that. So we got a good flight though. We might fly old John D. I could take another landing. Yeah, not bad.
We've done like a surprising number of fatalities from there.
You know, I guess it kind of makes sense that you could die jumping from an airplane. But man, still, like, it's not like somebody deserves it, but
That and bungee jumping, I'm good.
100%. Bungee jumping too much like lynching. Like, that's a no for me.
Keep my big ass on the ground.
All right. Like, no, thank you. That.
And talk about can't drive. Man, you gotta be on your defensive driving.
For real?
Then you hear about the planes with the doors popping off and shit.
Yeah. Right?
They had canceled our first flight over that.
Over the, from the door pop off or that little cap, whatever it is?
Like grounded all those planes. And of course, I have booked a flight on that plane.
Of course.
Man, we was out in Costa
Ready to go home.
to get,
Oh yeah.
a little bit cheaper than Mexico. I was nervous as hell too.
Oh, I bet. I mean, the good thing is, like, you hear, like, oh, well, it's a different country. Do they have the same standards? Well, why is it cheaper? What is this and that and the other? Like, good bird.
Man, that thing's big.
Right?
What was that? Like 7, 6?
I don't know what they would call the scale, actually. It's a 1.1 meter.
Airplanes don't really go by like the same scale system.
Not really. They go by, like, the wingspan. So you have, like, your 1 meter, your 2 meter, and then you've got, like, They do have some scale system, but it's not the same. All right, we're gonna bring this bad boy down because I don't know how these batteries last. It's a new one.
You gonna be at like 3.3 volts.
Oh yeah, watch.
I'm thankful it's starting to get darker a little later now. Yeah.
I think I killed a prop because my gear didn't come down, but I'll take that.
I can't handle dark at like 4:30.
Oh shit, I just landed that on flight mode 3 with high rates. Okay, shit. With no front gear. Yeah, I ain't worried about flying these shits no more. I don't know why I was tripping. Right? That's what I'm saying. What's funny is like I spent all this time and breath talking about I don't want a 5th scale because they're too big, they teddy size, I ain't got room. Then I got this.
At least it's lighter.
Oh yeah, like yeah, feel this. This is basically, I mean, it's all styrofoam and battery.